press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Next we see anomalous behavior of beryllium. Anomalous behavior of beryllium. We will make it into two parts. One column will make it for the beryllium. Next column for other alkaline earth metals. Other alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, it is covalent compound. Beryllium is a covalent compound. Beryllium is a covalent compound due to high polarizing power. High polarizing power. Other alkali metals are ionic compounds. So lower polarizing power. And second, beryllium oxide, it is amphoteric. Amphoteric means the substance mixes with acid and base. But other alkali metals, it is basic oxide. It is a basic oxide. Third point, it is beryllium carbide plus water gives methane compound. Beryllium carbide plus water gives methane. Other alkali metals plus water with metal, it forms the acetylene compounds. Beryllium gives methane. Other alkali metals with water gives acetylene compound. In fourth, anomalous behavior of beryllium when compared with other alkali earth metals. Beryllium plus water gives no reaction. Beryllium and water is not reacting, but other metal with water, it gives metallic hydroxide. Beryllium will not react with water, but other alkali metals reacts with water and forming metallic hydroxide. Beryllium reacts with dilute HCl. This also no reaction. Beryllium with dilute HCl, it gives no reaction, but metal with dilute HCl liberates the hydrogen gas from acid. Liberates the hydrogen gas from acid. These are anomalous behavior of beryllium. Next point it is for beryllium anomalous behavior is Beryllium reacts with hydrogen no direct reaction, but indirectly it gives no direct reaction, but indirectly it gives beryllium chloride with lithium aluminum hydride. Beryllium hydride will be formed. Now other metals plus hydrogen directly gives hydride, directly gives the hydride compound on heating, directly gives a hydride compound on heating. Next point, beryllium reacts with oxygen at a high temperature. High temperature about 600 degrees centigrade. Beryllium reacts with oxygen at high temperature at 600 degree. Other metals reacts with oxygen only on heating. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 600 ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್, other metal reacts with oxygens. Then next, beryllium do not exhibit coordination number. Beryllium do not exhibit coordination number. Coordination number more than 4, 4ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, more than 4. But other metal exhibits coordination number. Coordination number of 6. So beryllium के 4 coordination number, but other alkaline metal it is 6 is the coordination number. Why this beryllium shows the anomalous properties? What are the reason? The reason is why beryllium shows it is the first one, small atomic size. Small atomic size. Second, it is high polarizing power. High polarizing power. 3, high electronegativity. 4, high ionization enthalpy. 5, non-availability of d orbital. Non-availability of d orbital. Non-availability of d orbital. These are the 5 points. 1, 2, small atomic size, high polarizing power, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and non-availability of d orbital. So these are the reason why beryllium gives anomalous properties. Why beryllium gives the anomalous properties. Next, it is diagonal relationship with aluminium. Beryllium and aluminium will give diagonally related in similar properties. Next, diagonal relationship. beryllium, first element of second group. Aluminium, second element of 13th group. 13th group. These two is having diagonally related similar properties. First one, beryllium and aluminium forms covalent bond. Forms covalent compounds. Covalent compounds. Examples: beryllium chloride and aluminium chloride. Covalent in nature. Covalent in nature. Second, it is beryllium oxide and alumina is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric dissolves in acid and base or reacts with acid and base. Examples: beryllium oxide plus HCl gives beryllium chloride with water. Beryllium oxide plus 2NaOH gives Na2BeO2 plus water. It is called sodium berylate. Next, Al2O3 plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3 water molecules. Al2O3 is the acid. Next, it is 2NaOH. It gives sodium aluminate with water molecules. Sodium aluminate. So the beryllium oxide and alumina reacts with acid as well as base. So then HCl is an acid, sodium hydroxide is a base. With HCl it gives beryllium chloride, with sodium hydroxide it gives sodium berylate. Sodium berylate. Next, it is a diagonal relationship. Beryllium carbide and aluminium carbide, Al4C3, reacts with water. Reacts with water and liberates methane gas. Beryllium carbide, aluminum carbide ಎರಡು ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದೆ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Al4C3 plus 12 water molecules gives 4 molecules of aluminum hydroxide with 3 molecules of methane. If the same beryllium carbide reacts with 4 molecules of water, gives beryllium hydroxide with the liberation of methane. With the liberation of methane. Next, the fourth diagonal relation between beryllium and aluminum is beryllium chloride and aluminum chloride is a electron deficient. Electron kadime ide. Electron deficient compounds. Electron deficient compounds used as catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acylation, two reactions are there. There will be using anhydrous aluminum chloride. So then, in fifth point, beryllium and aluminum forms oxide. Forms oxide coating. Oxide coating do not react with water. Do not react with water. Beryllium chloride and aluminum chloride exist as dimer molecule. Dimer molecules andre 2 molecules combine agi irutte. Yavagana combined state le irutte. So beryllium chloride 2 molecule BeCl2 Be2Cl4 agutte dimer molecule. Dimer in gaseous state. Dimer in gaseous state. Examples: beryllium 2 Cl4 and Al2 Cl6. Beryllium 2 Bl2 Cl4 and Al2 Cl6. Next, the seventh diagonal relationship is beryllium and aluminum forms complex compounds. Beryllium and aluminum forms complex compounds like beryllium fluoride and AlF6 3 negative charge. So beryllium aluminum forms complex compounds. Complex compounds always written in square bracket. There is a Werner's theory and complex compounds is being studied in the second PUC level. Now the uses of alkaline earth metals. Uses of alkaline earth metals. First use, beryllium, used in the manufacture of alloys. Used in the manufacture of alloys. Alloys. Examples: copper, beryllium alloys. Used in making high strength springs. High strength springs. Used in making high strength springs. Second, metallic beryllium, used for making windows of X-ray tubes. Metallic beryllium used for making windows of X-ray tubes. ಮೂರನೇ use. First use, beryllium used for making alloys. Examples: copper, beryllium alloys used for making high strength springs. Metallic beryllium used for making windows of X-ray tubes. Third, magnesium. It is a light metal used for making light alloys. Used for making light, weightless, light alloys. ಯಾವ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ alloys with aluminum, zinc metal, manganese and tin metals. Magnesium plus aluminum, magnesium plus zinc and manganese and tin metals used for making light alloys. Now, magnesium, aluminum, magnesium and aluminum alloys used in aircraft constructions. Used in aircraft construction. Used in aircraft constructions. Now, the next use, magnesium powder or ribbon. Magnesium ribbons are available. Used in flash powder, flash powders and bulbs with potassium chloride mix ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಪೌಡರ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಪೌಡರ್ಗೆ potassium chloride ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಯೂಸ್, magnesium used as sacrificial anode. Sacrificial anode for prevention of corrosion of iron. Iron corrosion ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಐರನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದು ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ this iron will not get corroded due to presence of this. This will be sacrificial anode. Anode dissolves, cathode deposits. Anode nalli ಆಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್? ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ, ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇರಿಯಂ. Now, calcium metal used as deoxidizer. Calcium metal used as a deoxidizer to remove the oxygens. To remove oxygen, deoxidizer to remove oxygen from copper, steel and cast iron. Copper, steel and cast iron. Next, barium, lubricant for anode rotors. Lubricant for anode rotors and also used in making spark plugs. Used in making and used in making spark plugs. Next, radium, radioactive element used in radiotherapy. Radiotherapy for the treatment of cancer. Therapy means treatment. Therapy means treatment. Treatment of cancer treatment ke radium is used. Next, radium also used as source for neutrons and radon. Neutron and radon. So the next part is some important compounds of calcium. ಅದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಎಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ? ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್. ಲೈಮ್ ಕಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆನ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಲೈಮ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಇಂದಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಹೆಮಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್. ಹೆಮಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆರ್ ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 molecule calcium sulfate, 1 molecule of water, or 1 molecule of calcium sulfate, half molecules of water, then it is called plaster of Paris. ಗಣಪತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಣಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that is a plaster of Paris. And cement. Cement, it is also a calcium product. ಈ 4 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಎಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ MCQ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Good luck to you. Again we'll meet in next period.